Dive in, I would like to invite Ryan, Nivriti, Vedant, Siraj, and Aviran to share some myths versus facts about today's topic.
Illness is sign of weakness. No, they are not. Psychiatric disorders are relating study of the nervous system and need to be treated accordingly.
People with mental health can't get better. With help and support, people with mental health problems can feel better and live happy, healthy lives. Everyone can take steps to improve their mental health. This could help understand young students that mental health problems are not permanent and this support is important for healing.
Mental health problems are permanent. You need to take medicine like. No, not all psychiatric disorders are lifelong. Each individual's experience with mental illness is different.
Psychiatric medications are addictive.
No, they're not. These medicines need to be taken as per doctor's advice. On sudden stoppage, some people may experience discontinuation symptoms.
People with mental disorders are kept in asylums. No, most of the psychiatric disorders can be treated at home. Thank you. Gave you something new to think about. Now, I would like to invite children of 4A to perform a beautiful dance performance.
Feel the greatest when feeling down, emotions don't feel right. It's so important to check our well-being. In so much darkness, you can still find light. There's always someone you can talk to. There's always someone who cares. If you have feelings you can handle, there's always someone who cares. If you're not feeling the best, just slow it down, take some rest. Your friends and family can give you support. Take a walk by yourself, it's all about mental health. You have so much to be grateful for. There's always someone you can talk to. There's always someone who cares. If you have feelings you can handle, there's always someone who cares. There's always someone you can talk to. There's always someone who cares. If you have feelings you can handle, there's always someone who cares.
ज्ञान 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 तो बहुत चल लिया लेकिन एंड में क्या सीखा फीलिंग्स मैटर डिफरेंट फीलिंग्स लाइक हैप्पीनेस सैडनेस एंगर और फियर सब नॉर्मल बस डील करना आना चाहिए
When we feel happy and calm, it's easier to learn, play and be with our friends. Just like brushing our teeth and eating healthy, we should take care of our mental health.
everyone has bad days it's okay to feel sad or angry but if those feelings last too long or feel too big तो भाई बात कर लो someone like parents teachers and friends.
Asking for help is brave. If you feel sad or worried for a long time, it's okay to ask an adult for help. They can help you find ways to make you feel better. Thank you.
Request all the students to come on stage whose birthday falls between 20th to 26th October.
my birthday. Good morning. My name is Japnur Kaur. I am from 4A. My birthday falls on 21 October.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shanisha. I am from class 3D. My birthday is today. Good morning everyone. My name is Sagar. I study in class 3C. My birthday falls on 23rd.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anahat. I study in class 3B. My birthday falls on 22nd October.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ikashri Singh. I am from class 3D. My birthday falls on 24th October.